Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab TabMax, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this tablet. First of all, you need to find Calendar app and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, select Got It, and finally pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. When you're ready, you need to create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting Event. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Now you can pick starting hour or ending one. But you can also disable this feature completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, you need to click on the same option and set up Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, add location by choosing Add Location over here, selecting Allow Only while using, typing in an address and clicking on the correct result. Now you need to stop notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. Select Done at the bottom right corner and even take notes. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can adjust it however you want to and save your changes by clicking on Save at the top right corner, or discard them by clicking on this X icon at the top left one. I will go with Save though. If you wish to get rid of your event, you can always do that by tapping on it again, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on Delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!